This is Color Creatives here. Who am I with?
Sugar Boy is the good boy.
Yeah, it's a boy Kestin, aka Januzaj.
Okay, I have some set of questions. I hope you know football. Do you know ball?
Yeah,
I know a lot of football.
Okay, so I'm going to give a set of questions whereby you'll be choosing the ones that the players that you rate highly. Okay, so between Henry and Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, Thierry Henry and Cristiano Ronaldo, whom do you pick?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Of course, Cristiano Ronaldo, all-time GOAT.
Okay, Alan Shearer, Harry Kane.
I think for me, I'll go with Harry Kane because Alan Shearer, I've never seen him. I'm going with my generation, Harry Kane.
Harry.
Steven Gerrard, Frank Lampard.
Super Frank.
For me, that's a hard one, but I'll go with Gerrard.
Okay, what about Paul Scholes versus Kevin De Bruyne?
Paul Scholes, I've not seen him much. Maybe YouTube videos. So I'll go KDB.
My friend, I'll go with Paul Scholes, all time, all day.
Okay, Didier Drogba, Sergio Aguero.
Tricky, you know, Drogba. I'll go Sergio Aguero.
Okay.
Yeah, Drogba is a big game player, but Aguero is a scorer, all-day scorer.
Okay.
I'll go with Aguero.
Yeah. Mohamed Salah, Sadio Mane. Difficult one.
I'll go with the Egyptian king, Mohamed Salah.
Sadio Mane.
Reason?
Good team player.
Okay, very nice. Eden Hazard, Heung-min Son.
King Eden.
My friend, Eden Hazard.
All right. Ryan Giggs, David Beckham.
Some of your questions are tough.
I understand that.
Yeah, but I'll go with Ryan Giggs.
Ryan Giggs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ryan Giggs.
I'll go Bex.
Wayne Rooney versus Luis Suarez.
Wayne Rooney was all time, all day.
All right. Now let's go to defenders. Van Dijk versus John Terry.
Captain, leader, legend, 26, John Terry.
Just because you're a Chelsea fan. Okay.
John Terry.
All right. Rio Ferdinand versus Nemanja Vidic.
I will not choose anyone. I'll go with both of them.
You have to choose one.
I will not choose one.
You have to choose one, please.
I will not choose one. And you are disrespecting them.
No.
Don't compare Nemanja.
There's no disrespect.
Nemanja Vidic with Rio Ferdinand.
You have to choose
one. You are disrespecting them.
No, you have to choose one.
I know.
If a gun was held on your head, who would you choose?
They'll kill me.
Okay.
Both of them are good.
Okay. So you'd rather die?
I'll die.
Okay, what about you?
Vidic.
All right. Ashley Cole, Patrice Evra.
Ashley Cole.
Okay.
I love this game.
Patrice Evra.
Exactly.
Okay. Alexander Arnold versus Reece James. Let's see now. Yes, I know.
No, you don't know. You know what?
I know.
Okay, Reece James. Why? You can do all.
What is all?
You can defend, you can attack.
So according to you, Arnold cannot do that?
He's poor in defending.
All right.
Let me correct him. But you cannot rely on Reece James because he's always injured.
He's an injury-prone player. True.
Yeah.
This season, how many games has he played?
Okay, only this season. Remove this season.
Please sorry.
Take my
job.
From
He has started.
So
you choose your player.
You have chosen Reece James.
Yeah, you choose your player.
I'm also listening to you.
Choose your player.
Who have you chosen, Januzaj?
For me, I'll go with. Let me say all of them, but
choose one, please, kindly.
Reece James.
Yeah.
Reece James, you cannot rely on him like every game because he's injury prone.
So you choose Alexander Arnold.
But Trent, he will be there all
When Trent he was injured in Real Madrid.
Okay.
How many games has he
Okay,
missed?
let's move on.
season.
Yes.
In
Let's
Real
stick on
Madrid.
one
Yes,
thing,
how many
guys.
games
What about
has
in
he
Liverpool?
Guys.
You can't say
Guys. Okay.
Chris James can do all.
Okay, let's move
Then
on.
tell Reece James to stop
Peter
getting injured.
Schmeichel versus Edwin van der Sar.
Those are Man United players. I don't know them.
Excuse me. You have to choose
You
one.
have to choose one. I'm a
Stop
Man
being
United
biased.
fan, but you have to choose one.
Your set of questions.
No,
they're
no, please.
Now how can
We are
you?
given Chelsea players.
Stop yeah.
Who and who?
John Terry and
Yeah. Stop
Van Dijk.
politicking. Stop politicking.
you chose who?
Captain Leader Legend.
Because you are a Chelsea fan.
No,
So,
how
I'm a
can you
Man United
compare? How
fan.
can you compare Virgil van
Guys,
Dijk with
come
Captain
on.
Leader Legend? How many
Guys,
trophies?
come on, guys.
How many
Come on,
clean
guys.
sheets?
Whom do you
Answer the
pick?
question.
Hey, I'm the interviewer here. Let's control this
Okay.
meeting.
Sorry, pardon.
Okay, yes. So I asked Peter
Yes.
Schmeichel or Van der Sar.
Sugar boy.
Yes.
Just answer the question.
Yeah.
Okay, Januzaj. My bad.
Okay, continue. So Van der Sar or Schmeichel?
Van der Sar, you know, I remember one game,
Mm-hmm.
Manchester United versus Barcelona.
Mm-hmm.
David Villa once hit a banana. Then Van der Sar saved that kick.
Yeah.
So Van der Sar.
Yeah, he's a legend.
I will say Van der Sar because he has got like fucking 50 hands.
You don't have to curse, please. But anyways, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Van der Sar.
Okay, Peter Sech, David De Gea.
What?
Peter Sech versus David De Gea.
It's a search.
David De Gea, all time, all day.
All right. N'Golo Kante versus Makelele.
Makelele, you know why?
Mm-hmm.
There is a role called Makelele role. Why? You should ask yourself
Stop
why.
being biased, please.
No.
Let's not put bias there.
All of them are
Did you
our
even see
players.
Makelele play?
Exactly.
I didn't
Thank
see him.
Oh, damn.
But there's a role called Makelele role.
You just heard, you did not
Yes.
see Makelele play.
Makelele role.
Okay, let's move on. Yes, whom do you pick?
I'll say N'Golo Kante because that bald head has got 11 lungs.
Okay.
When
That
Makelele was bad.
Oh.
You did not
Okay.
see him play.
Okay, let's continue. Fabregas, Mesut Ozil. Difficult one, right? You'll have to agree with me. That's difficult. Fabregas, Ozil.
I'll go Ozil.
Januzaj?
I'll just go with Ozil.
Wow. Yaya Toure versus Rodri. I knew it. We thought it's gonna be easy. It's not a walk in the park.
Yaya Toure. Can do
Toure.
all, yeah.
What about
Yaya Toure. Don't say that because you are Africans, but we are
Okay.
just telling you who is best.
Erling Haaland versus Robin van Persie?
Oh my word. For me, I'll go with Robin van Persie. That goal which is scored at the World Cup, man, unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I recall it. Yes.
I'll go with Van Persie.
I'll go with the robot, Haaland.
Just because you hate Van Persie.
He will break all the fucking records.
Gareth Bale versus Raheem Sterling.
On their prime or
Yeah, of course.
On their prime,
Yeah.
I'll go
Of
with
course, everyone here is on their prime.
Gareth Bale.
Is on their prime.
Gareth Bale.
Man City, Sterling.
Sterling.
He was competing with Messi.
That was one season wonder.
Yeah.
But talking
Okay.
about someone who
I'm
is
saying-
inconsistent.
I ask on their prime.
In their
Was
prime.
he
Yeah.
Yeah.
only in one season prime?
All right. Carlos Tevez versus Diego Costa.
Sugar boy start.
I'll go Tevez.
All right.
I can't be biased there.
What about you?
Tevez.
Jamie Vardy, Michael Owen.
I will say Jamie Vardy.
Why? Owen is considered a legend.
My God, Jamie Vardy did something.
Even
With
Jamie
Leicester.
Vardy is a legend.
Yeah,
Leicester City.
Leicester.
All
They
right.
came all the way from down and carried that title. Man, Jamie Vardy carried them.
He played a big part. I understand. Yeah. All right. Same. Jimmy Vardy too.
I didn't watch that Bastard Owen. So Jamie Vardy.
You don't have to be
Bruno
so
Fernandes.
bad language.
Okay, here we go. Bruno Fernandes versus Martin Odegaard.
My friend, that I'm not answering that thing, my friend.
Come on.
That disrespecting our Magnifico.
No.
That's a disrespect,
How?
my friend.
How?
How can you compare Bruno fucking Fernandes, magician, with Martin Odegaard? You can't.
Kids are watching this, please kindly. Let's not curse.
All day, magician.
Okay, what about you?
Bruno Fernandes.
I wanted to hear something different.
I know.
All right. Declan Rice versus Casemiro, 5-time Champions League winner. But let that
What has Rice won?
seriously.
Conference League.
Only a conference.
He costed
Conference.
Arsenal £100 million.
They were conned.
Arsenal just
Seriously?
paid that money
They
in
were
installment.
conned. Let not Arsenal fans hear that. They were conned.
All time, 5 times.
Mm.
Casemiro.
Let me
Legend
ask you.
Excuse me, I'm the interviewer here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's wait for next day.
No.
So that-
Wait. Just
Declan Rice.
Yes.
How many years?
yeah.
Age.
20 something.
Now Casemiro, 20 something, on his age.
Yeah, in his prime.
In his prime.
Yeah, he was better. I understand.
Price tag.
Yeah.
Price tag. Now.
I don't know.
Casemiro.
I can't tell. I
Not
don't know.
now. He's older.
Yeah.
No.
The same age as Rice.
Yeah. I'm
Probably
saying
100.
now.
200.
People have costed maybe, yeah.
200.
Probably more than, yeah.
So Arsenal were conned.
Oh my God. Oh my
Still, they
God.
don't have that money. They are paying in installments. If it was that good, they could pay that money.
Okay.
And they will not win the cup.
Bukayo Saka, Phil Foden.
I don't go their cups, my friend. Yeah.
Okay, Bukayo Saka, Phil Foden.
Bukayo Saka, does he even have a hat trick in the Premier League?
I don't think
Not
so.
really. Not really.
Phil Foden, don't respect this.
Phil Foden, no, he was.
Is it because you hate Arsenal?
No. Phil Foden, he was once best player of the season. No, in the
Saka
Premier
has
League.
got talent, but
Yeah.
not yet.
Saka was just a fullback. He was converted into a winger because of injury crisis.
Saka has only that paper.
All right.
That's
Jack
for-
Grealish, James Maddison.
Jack Grealish.
I know there are two different
But, yeah.
players. Madison. You could.
Different profile.
Let me give you an idea.
Mhm.
You could put James Madison and Odegaard.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I'm the interviewer here.
I'm giving you just
No,
an idea.
Do this.
Different
You go and
profile.
make yours. Come and ask me. But for today,
Why is it so
Okay. Continue.
Mahrez Willian.
I'll go with Mahrez.
Why?
Mahrez. I'll say Mahrez, like, he's got a beautiful left leg.
Okay, what about you?
Mahrez has a superb fast touch,
Mm-hmm.
but he's so one-footed. So I'll pick William.
All right.
Willian scored left leg.
Yeah,
All right.
multiple times.
I guess one goal out of the goals he has scored. Okay.
Go research.
Fernando Torres, Dimitri Babatov.
Dimitar Berbatov.
Slow but sure. What about you?
Torres.
Torres?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go next. Company, Van Dijk.
Now there you are talking.
Yeah, it can.
There.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I pick Van Dijk. You know why?
Yes. Tell me why.
Van Dijk's journey from Soton to Liverpool, first league title in over 80 years. So I'll pick Virgil van Dijk.
What about you?
Sugar boy. You've got a point today. I will side with you.
All
I'll
right.
go with Van Dijk. I will not go with that big head company. Why are you laughing? This is just an interview. There's
All
nothing
right.
funny there.
Jordan Henderson versus Ilkay Gundogan. Remember, Henderson has won a Champions League,
Yeah.
also Premier League. In their prime.
It's like chemistry. From 3 chemistry, no?
Not really.
Yeah, you fell off.
Even I don't have one, but
Let's go.
I'll pick Gundogan. You know why? Gundogan, the treble winning Man City, he played a huge part. You know why? He could go and score clutch goals.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
So I pick Gundogan.
I remember.
I'll just pick Anderson because of the titles he has.
All
I'll go
right.
with Jordan Anderson.
All right. Next, Michael Carrick versus Xabi Alonso. Michael Carrick, Xabi Alonso. Difficult?
Tavia, you know I'm a Man United fan and you keep on asking me this
Don't
kind
be
of
biased.
question.
Don't be biased. Let's be honest.
Yeah. Will make me betray my club and that's what I don't want.
No. If someone is better than the other, is better.
I'll go with Michael Carrick.
Carrick.
Alexis Sanchez, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang.
Wow. But
Nice one.
Alexis was magical, you know. He's such a talent. Wow. Aubameyang is a scorer, you know, he's a finisher. But you know, Alexis, you know, he can score, he can
do
take on, he can dribble. Such a talent, man.
So you go with Alexis.
Alexis all day.
All right. Romelu Lukaku versus Olivier Giroud. Why are you laughing? Come on. What's funny?
No, nothing.
You're remembering Lukaku moments or what?
Yeah.
I remember that season. But in their prime.
In their prime.
Yeah.
It's a hard one, tough one. But I'll pick Giroud.
The next one is tougher. So you'll pick Giroud, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll pick Oliver Giroud.
Okay. Bernardo Silva versus David Silva.
David Silva, man.
Bernardo has won a treble.
So what? We are talking about titles here.
No, you're
Who
talking
is a
about
better player?
in their prime. No, you're
Who is
talking
a
about
better
in their
player?
prime.
Yeah.
All right. Alisson Becker versus Ederson. Difficult one, I know.
I'll go with Alisson Becker.
Becker, you know why? He can do all.
Okay. Rashford Marshall. Serious, that's easy.
Start.
For me, I'll go with Marshall. Why? Marshall was to become the next Ballon d'Or winner, the next Golden Boy.
Yes.
But injuries, what? It was what cost him. But Marshall at his prime, all day Marshall.
What about you?
I'll go Marcus. Rashford, yeah, no.
Eriksen, Mata. Juan Mata.
Wow.
Nice question.
One month, you know why?
Yes.
At that moment, he gave Chelsea the Champions League. You know, it was his assist, 2012 final, that corner to Didier Drogba.
Yeah, I remember.
I'll go with John Martin.
Ruben Diaz, Lisandro Martinez.
You're not talking about titles here,
You're
right?
talking of inform.
I'll go with the butcher, the fucking butcher. No nonsense defender.
Ruben Diaz, you know why?
Yes.
He has appeared team of the season 2 times.
We have talked about no titles or no achievements.
That's not title. That's not a title.
It's so hot.
Ruben Diaz, he was in the team of the season 2
Is that
times.
an achievement or not an achievement?
Kwani the butcher was not there. Was not there. He wasn't playing. No, answer me. He wasn't playing the
For me, I'll
butcher.
go with the butcher.
Okay, it's my turn. You haven't said your reason why the butcher.
He has
Why?
not given me. He has not given me. the
Why?
time.
Why?
The butcher is a no-nonsense
You
defender.
already said it.
He's a leader.
Yeah,
The height he has, he's winning all the aerial balls,
and it's short.
and he's short. Don't play with the butcher. He can.
Okay, the
fuck
last
you up.
one, the most exciting one.
Ah.
Paul Pogba versus Toni Kroos. You have to think properly, yeah? Before you utter any word, you should think twice. Those are two exceptional midfielders.
You know what?
But who will you go for?
But different profiles.
Exactly. Different.
One is a controller, the other one is a passer box to box.
Toni Kroos used to pass too. He has assists.
No, Toni Kroos is a controller, you know. He can
Pogba couldn't
dictate
control the box.
from deep. Pogba was best box to box.
Excuse me. There's a time he played
Six.
deep. Yeah.
As
Yeah.
a 6.
That's why he even took the number 6 jersey.
But it's not his best position. That's why France won the World Cup when he was alongside N'Golo Kante.
Who told
the
us not?
beast.
Maybe it was just like the way
No, you know what?
players are being
Pogba is
converted.
a perfect box-to-box player. Pogba is a perfect box-to-box.
Okay.
Wonderful.
All in all, whom do you pick between Paul Pogba and
But-
Toni Kroos?
Different profile.
Yeah, that's
That
why
whom do you
I was speaking.
okay,
You
whom
know,
do you pick?
I've started different profiles.
Okay, whom do you pick?
Paul Labile, Pogba,
Wow.
talent.
Okay.
Me too. Paul Labile, Pogba. We miss you, Paul Pogba. Please come back soon.
Who are you? Which team is missing? Like, okay. Anyways.
Football.
Okay.
All football world. But for me as a Manchester United fan,
Okay,
I'm
before
missing
we-
you, Paul.
Me as a
Before-
neutral.
Okay. Before we end this video, kindly tell us which team do you support? Let's start with Janu Saj.
Oh, Sugar Boy, you do not want to start?
Start. I'll finish.
Let me start.
Yes.
The biggest team in the world,
Yeah.
fucking great, Manchester United.
Yes.
No team is even coming close to that team,
All right.
Manchester United.
Nice one.
World champion, Pride of London, the only team in London that has 2 Champions League trophies
In London.
in
Thank you.
London. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's the best team in London, and currently the world champion, and it has the badge for 5 fucking years. That's Chelsea Football Club. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for your time. And yeah, see you next time in the next episode. Okay. Bye.
Ciao.